I told you KFC dunk chicken takes less than 30 minutes to make in your own home. Trust me, you won't be ordering KFC anymore if you watch this video to the end and see how easy it is to make. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be making KFC inspired dunk chicken at home. And believe me, guys, this homemade version is going to blow your mind away. Grab your aprons if you have one, because we are about to make KFC dunk chicken in our own kitchen. You see what I did there? Chicken and kitchen. Let's go, guys. For this homemade KFC style dunk chicken recipe, you will need the chicken, of course. This has been in salt water over the night. You will also need our milk, salt, rice sauce, soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, honey, chicken spice, crushed chili, ginger powder, garlic powder, black pepper, our flour, last but not the least, our crushed cornflakes. Sometimes you can use breadcrumbs. This is everything that we'll be using for this chicken dunked KFC style. Okay, guys, before we start cooking, we'll clear this up and then dry the salt water from the chicken, and then we marinate this. For this recipe, I'm using chicken drumette. So to marinate the chicken, we're gonna add a pinch of salt. The reason why I'm adding a pinch of salt is because, remember, I said this has been sitting in the refrigerator. So for more than 12 hours, it's been sitting in salt water. So add the salt, add your chili flakes. Guys, you know one thing with me, I won't tell you 1 spoon or 2 spoons, add to taste. You know your preference, just do what you want. Just do what your mind tells you. So our chili flakes, our chicken spice, our ginger powder, our black pepper, our garlic powder, our barbecue seasoning. So once we are done adding everything that we need, we mix together. Make sure that they mix well. So now we are done with this, we are going to put it in the refrigerator to marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. While the chicken is marinating in the fridge, let me show you how to make the perfect coating. While I was listing the list of ingredients, I forgot to mention we need eggs. So let's make the perfect coating. In a bowl, add your flour, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of ginger powder, and a little bit of garlic powder. Just tiny pinch of salt. Just a pinch of salt. Then you mix well, mix everything together. I know a lot of people, when they are making coating for chicken, they mix the liquid together and then they add the chicken inside the liquid and then into the flour and then back into the liquid and then into the flour. But no, we mix everything together over here. So once we're done mixing all the ingredients, we crack in our egg. While we're mixing, we add our milk. Here you have it, the perfect coating for our crispy chicken. Guys, I can't wait to dip this marinated chicken inside this and then deep fry this and see how crispy this is going to be. Guys, remember, we need crispy on the outside, very tender on the inside. That is what we are planning to achieve today. Let me just use this opportunity and say, if you've seen this pretty face for the first time, my name is Chuks, and on this channel we like to explore food from different continents. We travel the whole world through food. I eat, I cook, I react, I do everything concerning food. So like this video, subscribe, and let me know if you have anything, any video idea that you want to see me do. If there's any food you want to see me cook, or if there's any food that you want to see me taste next, let me know in the comment section. Because guys, in a matter of minutes, we're just going to be coating it and then deep frying it. Now that our chicken has marinated for 30 minutes, I'm going to show you my dunking techniques that works for me every time, that makes the chicken so crispy. So you take the marinated chicken, then you add into the bowl. Then we coat all sides. You make sure that all sides are coated very well. Next step is to cover this coated chicken in cornflakes crumbs. The reason why we are doing it is so that we can get that crunchy bit. You know that KFC type crunchiness, we need it in our chicken. So one after the other, we take it out of the bowl and then we cover in cornflakes. And we're gonna make sure we cover the whole sides. So next step is to heat enough oil and carefully add the coated chicken. Guys, remember we are frying on medium heat. We are going to fry this for about 12 to 15 minutes, flipping it halfway through until the chicken is golden brown.
Shine the light, IBM.
And now we are done frying the chicken. Let's make the dunk sauce. So in a pan on a medium heat, add in your tomato sauce, and then we add in our sweet chili, we add in our soy sauce and our barbecue sauce. So since we already added our sweet chili, we're just gonna add a little honey, just and there you have it, guys. We mix everything together in medium heat and let it cook for 2-3 minutes. So this is our dunk sauce. We're just waiting for it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes, and then we add in our chicken, mix everything well, and voila, we have our homemade KFC inspired dunked chicken. Okay guys, our sauce is done cooking, so let's add this chicken and mix everything together. We're gonna let this cook for 2 minutes. And there you have it, guys, our very own homemade KFC dunked chicken that is crispier, juicier, and way more affordable than ordering KFC takeout. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comment section how it turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more cooking and food adventure videos. Guys, I remain your host, Chuks, and I'll catch you guys on another one. Happy cooking. Guys, our taste test.
Shine the light.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I've been close to my success for 4 years now. I'm still nothing done.
Guys,
I be my pastor, they wine me.
let it not be because I'm the one that made this. But you see this? 10 over 10. KFC has nothing on me. Oh. Next, crispy on the outside, very tender on the inside. Like you said, we are going to look at another one. Bye.